guys, welcome back to my video. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you guys a fast and easy way to make this. You know what this is? This is lemongrass, and I'm going to show you guys how to make Kroeung the fast and easy way. Also known as lemongrass paste. This is a staple ingredient in our Cambodian Khmer cooking. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys what you need to make this, okay? Okay guys, so what you'll need for this Kroeung, the lemongrass paste. So you'll need, I have about 58 stalks of lemongrass. You can use as much as you want, okay? The good thing about this Kroeung is that there's really no like how many garlic or how many chilies it's whatever you guys like in your Kroeung, but this is the basic ingredients that goes into it, right? So you can put a lot of galanka if you wanted to. You can put more garlic if you wanted to. Whatever you guys like more, you can put more or less of, okay? So lemongrass, I have fresh galanka, but if you don't have fresh galanka, you can use powdered galanka, right? Because I know that some places they don't have all these fresh ingredients. You're gonna need these snack size Ziploc bags, and I'll show you at the end what we're gonna do with this. Also garlic as much as you want, and chili pepper as much as you want, right? And then turmeric, I got this big container. It's about 8 ounces from Costco for probably about $5. And then I'm lucky that I grow my own kaffir lime leaves. So I just picked it and got it from my garden. So yeah. And then you're gonna need a food processor for this one. And this attachment right here, this is my food processor that I only use for making lemongrass paste. And I got this one, you guys. I'm always looking for deals, so I got this one about 12 years ago and it's still working. It's a Cuisines for $20 from Craigslist. It was a deal. And then you're gonna need this attachment for the first process, okay? Okay, let's go ahead and prep our lemongrass. And then I'll show you how to do that. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to clean the lemongrass, how to prep it. Okay, it's very simple. You just have to cut the ends off. Careful with the knife. And I usually save this to grow. And then you clean up all the, like the dried up one. And just gauge, like you don't want any brown on your lemongrass, so put that to the side. You see how okay guys, so here's the result. Sorry, I just lost my voice. This is the result of this is the bad ones that I just took off the stalk, and this is what we have left right here, this pile that we're going to put through the food processor. And then look at the ends. Here's the next step, right? Plug in your food processor, and then so you want to use this attachment right here on your food processor, okay, for this first part. You have to make sure, I'm sure you guys know this, that everything has to lock in order for it to start working. Because if, let's say this wasn't on there, it's not going to work. So put all the attachments in. And like I stated in the other shot, this is my food processor that I use only for lemongrass Kroeung paste. So that's why it's kind of yellow. And I'm all about saving money, you guys. So I purchased this off of Craigslist about 12 years ago, and it's still working great for about $20, which was a great deal because it came with a whole bunch of attachments. So here we go. And I have a stopwatch here, so I have 58 stalks of lemongrass, and I have a stopwatch here to show you guys how long it takes me to process this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, before we get started, I wanted to tell you a little tidbit, right? So with the food processor, the faster you put your stalks down, the bigger the slices. The slower you put your stalks down, the thinner your slices, if that makes sense. So you'll see in here, but for me, it doesn't matter how thick or thin it is because you're gonna process it a second time through the food processor again. So, but I know some folks, they like it thinner, and some, they don't care. Like I don't care. So I have a stopwatch right here, and I'm gonna power on the food processor, and I'm gonna show you guys how much time it takes to slice 58 stalks of lemongrass. Okay, so let me turn this on, and we'll start. Open. So you have like these, but it's okay, just put them in there. Look at that. Okay. I'm gonna get all of that in here. Careful with the blade. You want to clean all that off. Oh, put it back on. Okay, so did you guys see this? See how some of them are thicker? And then some of them are thin. For me, it doesn't matter because I'm going to put it through the food processor again to make it more grind. Okay, so I'm going to also put the galanga through the slicer too to process it. I don't have the pusher, so let me see if I can do it. Oh, it went down by itself. So you just have to slice your galanga so it fits through the tube. You guys, that it's sliced. You guys see that? Yep. Okay guys, so we're gonna assemble the ingredients into the food processor. So I'll show you how I layer the items, right? So first I'll use some lemongrass. Oh, before that, you guys, you need this attachment. You're gonna need this attachment right here for this part, okay? So you just put it in. So this is gonna slice and chop your ingredients together. So I do first layer of lemongrass. I come in with the turmeric powder. A little bit, this goes a long way, you guys. So like that. Then I'll go ahead and put some garlic. And then since I'm doing like 2 batches, I'll put half of the chilies in here. And then I'll go in with my caper line. I don't even pull the veins out. It's fine. And then put in some galanka. And then top it with more lemongrass. Okay. Now you just have to put your lid on. Then hold it down. So you know when to check it once the paste forms to the walls of the food processor, okay? Let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside of it. You see that? For me, I'm going to need to blend it a little bit more, so I'm just going to scrape off the sides and mix it a little bit, okay? So I'll just scrape it like this. And you guys notice I didn't put any extra water or any extra oil in here. And that's what I like about using the food processor, because you're not watering it down, you know? It's just pure lemongrass. And you guys see? And then you can blend it to the consistency that you like. So I'm going to blend it one more time. So for me, this is good. Hopefully that's focusing for you guys. So what you want to do is empty into another bowl and then keep going. What I did was I lined this little container, it's a 4-liter container I got from Costco, with this 2-gallon Ziploc bag so I don't stain it. And you might want to wear gloves if you have like your nails done, because this turmeric powder stains anything. That's why I deemed this food processor the lemongrass paste food processor. So normally I just do one of these. And then fish your blade out. Carefully fish your blade out. Oh, I should use gloves too. It's okay. My fingers will be yellow for a little bit. Okay, so now the process is done. So I have it all in this Ziploc bag. This is a 2-gallon Ziploc bag, and I got it from the 99-cents only store, but you can use a gallon Ziploc bag, right? So what I like to do is just mix it all together. So that way all the ingredients are incorporated. Then let me just put it back in here just so it'll be easier for me to scoop them out. Right? There. So I have a 1-cup measuring cup right here, and I have snack size Ziploc bags. I got this from the Dollar Tree. There's 60 bags in a box. So what I usually do is just do 1 cup in each Ziploc right here. I'll show you how to do it. So that way when you go to cook, you kind of know, like, okay, this is one cup. So you do like that, you guys. You may want to wear gloves when you're doing this because the paste will get all over your fingers. Then I will zip it, not all the way. Zip it. Hopefully this doesn't fit in. Smooth it out. Get all the air out of it, basically. So like push this right here more. Oh, it's flat. One done. More to go. So I was able to make 14 bags of Kroeung paste, and each bag holds about 1 cup of Kroeung. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to freeze these, see how the snack size is perfect for 1 cup. And then you just thin it out and you just freeze it like this. And when you're ready to use it, take it out of your freezer and microwave it for a minute, or you can just let it naturally thaw on the counter and you're good. You're good to go. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And please let me know if this video helps, and then I'll make more videos with tips and tricks. Thank you again, and have a great night.